margin of error in this industry now is so insanely small that we have to be on our A game all the time. I mean, just all the time.
Hey guys, Jason Harris here with Digital Dealership Solutions. Hey, thanks for joining me in another episode of The Drive.
I was talking to a dealership yesterday, and they had a deal on this used car. It was a good deal for them. They lost the deal because the customer left. The salesperson forgot to give them their driver's license, kept the driver's license in their drawer for about 3 days before calling the customer and letting them know that they had their driver's license. The customer just got upset, you know, and called back in, spoke with the general manager, said, "Hey, look, I had every single intention to purchase that vehicle from you, but I'm not going to now. For the simple fact of this little tiny customer service element, your guy just could not call me back and let me know he had my driver's license." And that's just like one example of like 15 examples that I've heard this last week of where it's something small that we're losing the deal, or something small effort that led us not to make our month, you know, and hit our goal and objective. Now, look, I know that might sound crazy to some of you, but it's not. And it's something that I think we need to focus on in our day-to-day efforts and our day-to-day operations and our processes, both in the front of the dealership and the back of the dealership, is what are all these little things? And you know what? You'll find out what these little things are when the processes are written out and then followed and tracked for its efficiency. 15 dealerships in the last 4 weeks I have visited because of operations. You want to know how many of those 15 had written processes? One out of those 15 had some level of a written process. It's not cool, guys. We can't operate our businesses like this anymore. The automotive industry is just way too competitive for us to operate in kind of this loosey-goosey, you know, no, my sales guys know, or my service providers, no, they know the process, But the bottom line is they don't. If it's not written down, they do not know the process. Hey, I'd love to hear what your guys' thoughts and opinions on there. You know, drop me a comment down below. I thoroughly enjoy reading those. And hey, thank you so much for your time. You guys have a wonderful day.